Hello, in this movie we are going to look at HTML images, and of course I am Mahindo Mubarak, your tutor. So HTML images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Images can be represented in the web page using the img tag, as you can see here. Just simply write img tag and then you specify src with the name of the image, and then the alt you give the name in case the image does not appear to the website due to some reasons, or to the web page due to some reasons. So let's go into practicals and see how we can display images into our HTML pages. So here is our project, and I'm going to create a new file for HTML images. So I simply come here and then say new file. I'm going to name it 15._HTML images. Okay, so there we are. So I'm going to write here the HTML5 structure, and I'm going to call this one images, right? Okay, after doing that, I'm going to now start putting the image. So if you want to put the image, as we said, you have to specify img tag, img, like this, and then you put here the image link, and then here in the alternative or the alt attribute, it gives us a place where we enter the alternative text in case the image does not load. For example, here we have not specified the image. Now what should be the alternative? So let us begin with the alternative part. For example, I want to put here a PHP logo. I want to display the PHP logo. So in case this image does not load due to some reasons, the alternative text will show. So I would also like you to know that, or to realize that this tag is an empty tag. It does not need to have any content inside it, so it does not have a closing tag, and that's how you write the empty tags. We call them empty tags. So let's go ahead and see what's going to appear in our browser by simply coming to our browser, which is here. Press Ctrl-O to open, and then go outside this folder and come and open images, HTML images. So if you do like this, you can see the alternative tag is showing and the broken image is showing. So you can see that the image does not exist. Okay, so let us go ahead and put there the image. So to do that, I'm going to go first and put this an image in our folder, so you can be able to display it. So I'll come to HTML folder, which is here. This is the HTML folder we are working on, and I'm going to put here a file or a logo of PHP, and we display it. So to do that, I'll come and get my logo somewhere. So you can also use any image, and I'm going to put it there. So this is the image. You see, if I open it, this is what I see. So I want to display that in our web page. So you first know the name, even with the extension. That's why I say that as a programmer, you need to know the names of the extension. So the full name is called logo.php. If you cannot see extension, let me repeat one more time. If you cannot see extension of a file, this is how you can set and see the extension. Click on view, click on options here on top, and then click on view, and then scroll down and remove this. Scroll down where there is hide extension for non-files, this one, and check it. If it is checked, uncheck it, leave it empty, right? And then apply, then say okay. So by doing that, we'll be able to see all the file extensions. So you have to know the file extension, the full name. Otherwise, if you don't know the full name or the full name of an image, then you will not be able to display it. And I need you to know that I have copied the image into the folder that I'm working in. Okay, can you see? I brought the image into this folder. So also, if you want to show the image, you have to first put it in the folder where your files are. So after doing that, I'm going to come here back to my code. You can see when the image is here. Can you see my image is here? Here. So I'm going to come now back to my code here, and then here I'm going to give a full name of this file, which is logo.png. which is logo.png. So let's go ahead and refresh. So by doing like that, my image is able to do what? To display. So the image is too huge. Let me first reset. You can see there. Okay, the image is there. So in case the image is not loaded, the alternative text will show. So if I want to specify the width, HTML image tags gives us ability to specify the width by just simply passing width, and then you specify in pixels. For example, if I want it to be like 500 pixels, so I'll have to write there 500 width, and then you see the width will increase up to 500. If I want it to be maybe 100, I just write there 100, and I can see the image has reduced to 100. If I want it to be maybe 700 pixels width, so I come and refresh, see it is 700 pixels, a little bit more bigger. So by doing like that, you'll be able to specify the width. You can as well specify the height by just writing the height attribute. For example, if I want it to be a square, so I have to write 700 by 700, come and refresh, you see they'll try to pull it and make it fit in the attributes that I did specify. So let me show you one more how I can load an image, another more image, maybe, so I can get a good example. I'm looking for some image in my computer. Okay, let me get this one. I wanted a JPG image .jpg. I had not prepared an image to show. Okay, so I'm going to come to our folder first. I put the other image. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to name it maybe as 15. So let me name it as 15. Okay, so after renaming it, I now know the full name, which is 15.jpg. So I'm going to and add it here. So I'll just simply come and say img, and then I specify 15.jpg. You can see 15.jpg, and I can say this is a what? It is a car, and I save. I come and refresh. I should be able to see that car. You can see there. Okay, I can see there. So that's how we display images into our websites or our web pages. So go ahead and practice more and more and more to see that you get the whole concept of images and how we can put the images into our web application. Okay, with that much said, let us meet in the next video where we are going to look at the image maps.